Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, welcome back with me Irzi in Muhammad Irzi Gets Already channel. In this video I will give you tutorial again, and this tutorial I will make a furniture app. You can see in display. Okay. First step, we add frame iPhone 11 Pro X, and don't forget this reduce we change to 30. After that we copy the color to blue, we change and this code 0044C9. After that we make the line with pen tool. We just like this. You can follow me. Okay. Maybe like this. After that we add color, we add fill, and we delete the stroke, and the fill we copy to the blue and we change to dark like this. After that we add effect and we change to inner shadow, and then no oh yeah, I'm sorry, this is an inner shadow, and X or A do we add to 5, and blue is 8. Maybe this wrong. Yeah, I mean 5. Sorry, no. Oh no, this Y4 and blur 20. I'm sorry, I forgot. This X 0 and Y is 4 and blur 20. Yes, like this. After that we add to the frame, yeah, like this, and then we copy the image. For you can search in Google. After that we make rectangle in the down chair, down sofa, and we change color to the black. After that we add effect and we change to layer blur, and we add 5T. After that we put it down layer like this, and then we add a text. Yes, this text is new furniture, but this is I is we delete and we add some space. Okay, after that we change the size to 40 maybe, and yes, 40, and we fit it in the middle. After that, we open the plugin, Iconify. We search furniture. Yes, you can pick one. I pick this lamp. Import icon. Yeah, this plugin for you search any icon, maybe electronic, battery, Wi-Fi, furniture, bag, and search, and all icon. Yes, after that we put to iPhone frame and we delete empty frame. After that we put to up and change the color to white. This is color code, and then we adjust and add size nice like this, maybe some small, yeah, like this. And after that we add little text, sorry, maybe I'm wrong. Oh, my battery is low, maybe I will charge. Where am I charging? Oh, this is my charger. Wait a minute. I'm sorry for mistake because I'm not prepared. Yes. After that, we make the text. Sorry. There are various various kind of furniture that can decorate your home. And after that we change the size to 10, and we change the opacity to 50. Okay, after that we put it in the middle. Sorry, any mistake. Yes, like this. We put it up. Yes, after that we make the rectangle and we fit it in the middle. We just and we change the radius to 100 or 1000, maybe, and we add stroke, change to white, and the thickness is 2. After that we copy and we make the circle with rectangle, and after that we add fill and delete the stroke. We change to the white, we change to white, and we resize to small. Okay, like this. And then we search icon back. Yes, this. And then we check to from iPhone and delete the empty frame, and then we adjust like this. After that we add text, swipe to access, like this, and then we change the size to 15, and then we just in middle, oh no, in the middle, yeah, like this. After that we select the text, we select all, and we select the background, and we group, and we just fit it in the middle, yeah, like this. Okay, maybe it's enough. That's all of me. The design is finished. Okay, maybe that's enough video tutorial from me. If you have any suggestion or question, please put them in the comment column, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.